Zener diodes are useful components in electronics. Their main characteristic is their working voltage. However, this voltage is not printed in the diode body. This video will show you how to measure the Zener voltage. This is the Zener diode symbol. The cathode is identified by a black mark in the diode body. Checking the voltage rating is easy. We will need a battery or power supply, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, the Zener diode, and a multimeter. The voltage of your battery or power supply must be larger than the voltage rating of the diode. Since we don't know this voltage, it is convenient to use a variable power supply. Let's now perform the test with some Zener diodes. I have here a variable power supply. These are the test leads of the power supply and the multimeter. These are the test leads of the multimeter. And let's connect, as the diagram says, the positive of the power supply or battery goes to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, and the other side of the resistor will go to the Zener diode, to the cathode, that is the side that has the black band. In this same point, we will connect the positive of the multimeter. In the other side of the diode, we need to connect the negative of the power supply and the negative of the multimeter. We can see that the multimeter reads the same voltage as that of the power supply. If we increase the voltage, the voltage across the Zener also increases. We need to increase the voltage further until the Zener voltage is not varying. Okay, we have 6 volts applied and the Zener voltage reads 5.64 volts. If we increase the voltage even more, this value does not move. This means that this Zener diode has a voltage of 5.65 volts. The nominal voltage of this Zener is 5.6 volts. However, there is a tolerance in the Zener diodes and the real voltage is 5.65 volts. Let's try with another diode from the same batch. This is also a Zener diode of 5.6 volts, but let's test the real voltage of this diode. We now have a voltage of 5.70 volts, a little bit more than the former diode. Again, this is because of the tolerance of the diodes. Let me check with another diode. This has a nominal voltage of 12 volts. Let's see the real voltage. We need to increase the voltage of the power supply. There you have it. The voltage is not increasing. We are at more than 15 volts. And the Zener voltage is 12.13 volts.